How to fix login issues with FanDuel. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix if you're facing any type of login issues with FanDuel. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're having login issues while you're trying to log into your FanDuel account, there could be a couple of reasons why this is happening. First of all, this could be due to an incorrect state that you've entered. So if you went to fanduel.com and you went to join sportsbook and you went to fanduel or sportsbook.fanduel.com, it will ask us to actually select a state. So if you're not in one of these states and then you select the other location, that could be the first reason why you're facing the issue. So just make sure to select your proper state. After you do that, it will ask us to enter our email address, and then after that it will ask us to enter our password. And now what happens is, the second issue you could be facing could be due to an incorrect password. So in that case, you can click on this forgot your password button, and when you do that, FanDuel will send you a password reset link or a code, and when you go ahead and then you can see the security code or the ones that you have, then you'll be able to go ahead and then reset the password without having to remember your old password. But otherwise, if your details are correct, when you click on login, you should be able to log in without any sort of issues. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.